all day.
Yay! What do you say?
Let's take out this one first. Oh, look at I put yesterday on
It
it.
says Matti Muchnik on it and a picture of butterfly.
I told Yapo, Matti go try to color that in. Then this is showing him to color that.
Oh, you get to color
And
it
you go
in.
color inside these stamps and these stamps.
Oh, wow. Oh boy.
It's a book. It's a book. Matti.
Who's that?
Let's see.
Is that Matti with short hair like a big boy?
Yeah.
Or Matti with long hair? Matti with long
That's
hair.
Matti.
Option.
No, Matti, look. No, Matti, look. Matti. Look, let me show you.
Oh, Matti.
Look, we colored with Tati's special permanent markers. He let it.
Wow. Do you want to see more things?
Yeah.
Let's make a pile.
That book. No, it's a book.
Book.
Mommy, we need to make it like interesting.
Matti.
No, Matti, look. It's a book.
Who made all these presents?
Matti.
It's a
Optionish book.
For what?
The first everything and then I'll read it.
With optionish. No,
Another book. We're going to read the book soon.
Matti, what do you say to Chaya and Yafa for all the presents?
another book.
Another book. Ah, what's that?
A phone.
A cell phone.
Matti, look, a phone.
They made it for you. And a puzzle. They made you a puzzle. And this
Mommy, look, we put sparkly in it. I made this by myself.
Wow.
Matti,
Look at
what do you
this.
say
This
to
is a
them?
pickle.
What do you say
Thank
to
you.
Kanya?
Thank you. That I made.
Do you like all those presents?
Look, this is,
Hi, Bechaliba.
I love you.
Oh,
And this says,
Bechaliba, hi.
no, Mommy, these are little.
Hi.
We're going to read them. We're going to read Sorry.
Uh-oh, hi.
Matti's Upshurnish.
Hi.
Hey, Matti has long hair and a makuka. Let's read what it says. One day there was a little boy named Matti. He crawled. He did not know how to walk. When you Mommy nursed him a lot. Soon he knew how to stand up.
Like Bachaliba. Like Bachaliba.
Like Bachaliba, you knew how to stand up.